Good evening. Mainly cloudy and dry today. Sunny periods during the day. At 5 p.m., Typhoon Koinu was estimated to be about 260 kilometers east-southeast of Hong Kong. It is forecast to move west at about 12 kilometers per hour across the coastal waters of Guangdong. Up until 5 p.m., today's temperatures range from 27 to 32.2 degrees, and the relative humidity was between 53 and 65%. The current temperature is 27 degrees, and the relative humidity is 70%. Strong wind signal number 3 is now in force. So Freddie, how's the weather tomorrow? Fresh to strong northerly winds, strengthening gradually. Cloudy with occasional squally showers. Temperatures will range from 24 to 29 degrees. Tomorrow morning's air quality health risk will be low. And the maximum UV index forecast for tomorrow will be 5. Now to the latest global weather update. Rain in Shanghai, Xiamen and Taipei. Showers in Guangzhou, Macau. Cloudy in Chengdu. Cloudy in Beijing, sunny in Seoul and Tokyo. Thunderstorm in Bangkok, Ho Chi Minh City and Manila. Thunderstorm in Kuala Lumpur, sunny in Singapore, bright in Jakarta. Sunny in New Delhi, bright in Karachi and Mumbai. Cloudy in Cairo, sunny in Dubai, bright in Nairobi. Showers in Brisbane, Auckland, bright in Sydney, cloudy in Melbourne. Sunny in Vancouver, San Francisco and Los Angeles. Showers in Toronto and New York. Cloudy in London and Amsterdam, sunny in Paris. Bright in Frankfurt, sunny in Zurich, foggy in Rome. Have a lovely evening.